แม่ ไม่เข้า
Hi,
ใจ
what's your name?
แม่ที่จะถามว่า what's your name my name is ภูผา
Pupa. Nice to meet you, Pupa.
yes
Can you say nice to meet you too, teacher?
ฮะแปลว่าอะไรแม่อืมไม่เข้าใจอ่ะเพื่อน
Hello, teacher. He don't understand.
Oh, okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. มองเห็นไหม
Okay.
สติ
Can you please say, can you say nice to meet you
ฟัง
too,
ฟัง
teacher?
Say nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, teacher. Okay. So how are you doing today, Pupa? How are you today?
Are you today ไม่รู้แปลว่าอะไรอะครับ
Are you doing great?
ถ้าสบายดีแปลว่าอะไรต้องตอบว่าอะไรแม่
I'm fine.
I'm fine
Okay, great. So this evening we will play a game called Who Am I? We will play a game.
Laptop. Do you see?
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
We will play a game this evening. Okay. So
yes
now are you ready?
อ๋อ
Yes, we will play a
ยา
game.
ว
So you will guess what animal will it be?
โอ้คุณที่ขอคิดด้วยด้วย
Okay. So can you repeat after me?
แม่
พูดตามทีเชอร์
เอ่อเออ
Wait.
เออ
Can you please repeat after me?
yes
Okay. So I am small.
I am the
I am small.
I am small
Okay, very good. I have two wings.
I have two wings
I can sing and I can fly.
I can sing and I can fly
Okay, very good. So who am I? I am small. I have two wings. I can sing and I can fly. So which one of the four am I? Am I a bird? Am I a horse?
yes
A horse?
Huh?
Or a bird?
ไม่เข้าใจไม่ช่วยฟังหนู
สแตมบอก
อะไรนะครับ
ถ้าไม่เข้าใจก็บอก
I don't understand
Okay. Is it a horse
ฉัน
or a bird?
เป็นฟ้าบอกเป็นฟ้าหรือนก
อ๋อคำแปลเห็นไหม
Is it
Horse.
bird,
It's horse.
horse?
Horse.
Okay, let's check
Yeah.
horse. Horse is wrong. It's bird because it has wings. It have wings. Okay.
Oh,
Now I am brown. Repeat after me, Pupa.
yeah,
I am brown.
I am good.
Again. I am brown.
I am bird.
Brown. Brown.
Brown.
Brown. Yes.
Brown.
Oh, very good, very good. It's brown. I have a long tail.
I have a long tail.
Very good. I can climb up the tree.
I can ride off the trees.
I like eating bananas.
I liking this banana.
Okay,
Ban
so who am I? Am I a pig?
yes.
A monkey?
Yes.
Monkey.
Yes.
Okay, let's check monkey. Monkey is correct. Very good, Pupa. Very good. Now you have 100 points. Oh, that's one. Now, next is, repeat after me again, Pupa. I have 4 legs. 4 legs.
Correct.
4
I-
legs.
I have correct.
4 legs again.
Correct.
Okay, very good. I have a beautiful tail.
I have the beautiful face.
Beautiful tail.
Beautiful way builder.
Okay. I love to eat grass and corns. I
No
love
understand.
to eat grass and corns.
อะไรล่ะ
Okay. I can run very fast. It's running very fast.
Horse.
Horse. Okay. Let's check horse. Horse is correct. Very good, Pupa. Okay, you gained 100 points for a total of, wow, 220. Very good. Oh, it's a bonus round. Okay, you have to choose. Okay, you have to choose which card. Oh, you have to choose which one. Be careful.
Number 1.
Are you sure, Pupa?
Yes.
Okay, let's check number 1. Oh, wow, very good. You gained 100 points for a total of, wow, 300. Very good, Pupa. Okay, can you repeat after teacher again?
Yes.
Okay, I am a small animal.
Teacher.
I am a
Hello.
small animal.
สัตว์เป็นสัตว์ตัวเล็ก
Yes. I have 4 legs. 4 legs.
Bird.
Repeat after me. I have 4 legs.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit?
Yes.
Okay, rabbit. Let's check rabbit. Rabbit
Rabbit.
is correct again. Very good, Pupa. Wow, 400 points. Very good. Okay, next. Let's read first, okay? I am brown with black stripes.
Brown and rusty.
I am brown with black stripes.
I am brown the first day.
Stripes.
Stripe.
Very good.
Right.
I have big paws.
I have big balls.
I can run very fast.
I can definitely red.
I am cruel.
I am cool.
I live in the jungle.
I live in the jungle.
Okay, so which animal or who am I?
Tiger.
Tiger, are you sure?
Yes.
Is it not a camel?
Yes.
Okay, tiger, let's check. Tiger is correct again. Pupa, very good. Teacher is so proud of you. You got, 549 points. Very good. Next.
Yes.
We'll read it together, okay? Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready, Pupa, again?
Yes.
Okay, let's read it again. I am tall. Tall.
I am tall.
My body is brown with spots.
I wish me about a top.
Again, Pupa, my body is brown
My body is brown
with spots.
with spots.
Spots.
Spot.
Okay,
Spots.
I have got a long neck.
I have busty nose.
I have got small ears.
I am a small ear.
I eat leaves.
I eat leaves.
So who am I, Pupa? Am I a frog?
Frog.
Are you sure it's a frog? Is it tall?
Yes.
Is it not a giraffe?
No. Frog.
Okay, frog. Let's check frog.
Frog.
Frog is? Oh, it's wrong. It's giraffe.
Wow.
Oh, you have to choose again. Which card? Be careful, Pupa. One contains -50.
5.
Here?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, let's check. Wow, another 100%. Wow, with a total of 649 points. Very good, Pupa. Okay, last one. I'm long.
That's wrong.
I can't walk.
I can walk.
I haven't got any legs.
I have seen cut anything.
I am a poisonous animal.
That is the poison.
Do you know what
Animal.
poisonous is? This is poisonous.
Repeat.
Yes. So now, who am I?
Snake.
Snake, are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, let's check snake. Snake is correct. Very good, Pupa. Yes.
อยากได้
You
1,000
gained 749 points. Very good. Okay, so that's all for today, Pupa. We'll meet again soon. So goodbye. I hope you learned something and you enjoy. Goodbye, Pupa.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.